So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new payment into the app. So you're going to go to the top right button here, and from this screen you're going to choose the Add Payment. And the first thing that it will do, it will ask you to specify whether you're going to be making a payment against an appointment or whether it's actually a sales payment. So for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to start off with an appointment payment, and you'll go into the Add Appointment Payment screen, and you'll be able to, from here, select the client that you want to make the payment against. So we're going to choose here the Lady Alison, and it will give a list of all the appointments where Alison has got some money outstanding. So we're going to select this appointment here, and £25 is due, and it might be that she's perhaps just paying a percentage of that. She might just be putting a deposit down for £10 and she's going to be transferring that by bank payment. So you would effectively select the bank transfer option, and then over here you can select the day that she might have paid. So if it was last week you would choose an earlier date, but for this purpose we're going to choose the 1st of February. And then we can see here the total amount that's due is £25, but she's just paying £10 of this. So by pressing the Save button, we'll then have the payment has been saved successfully, and we'll be able to go back in and actually look and see that payment listed here by Alison of £10 against her haircut paid by bank transfer. And you can also double check by clicking on Alison's name. This will take it into her profile here. You're on Alison here, and you'll see that she's got one appointment and two payments. So if you click on the Payments tab, you'll see that she's had a bank transfer for £10 against her haircut paid on the 1st of February. So that's another way that you can check, and by clicking on here it gives you information about the payment detail. If you need to amend it, you choose the More options and it can be edited or deleted directly from that point. But that's adding a payment against an appointment. Another way to add a payment against an appointment could be from the appointments diary. So for example, we've got an appointment in the calendar, and if you click on that appointment you'll see that there's £15 left to pay because a deposit's already been taken. So from here we can go into the details screen and directly see from that £15 left to pay, there's a button at the bottom to add the payment here, and you can add another, for example, let's put in another £5 here, and that can be paid by cash, and you just press the Save button, and now two amounts have been paid. So you'll see that again listed up against £10 now left to pay. And another way that you might want to add a payment could be from the next appointment screen. If you go down and find Alison's appointment, so here is the £25 haircut, it tells you that there's £10 left to pay, and very quickly you can go here to the Add a Payment screen, and you can select the amount to pay off on this button here. We can say she's done a bank transfer, and we can press the Save button. So any of those methods will enable you to register a payment against an appointment, and it will just keep being registered against your payment dial. If you want to register a payment against something that's been sold, so they've taken a deposit payment and you want to register a payment against a sale, you basically press the Sale button. You then go into the client who's had the sale, and under here you'll be able to see that there was a green hat that was sold, and you'll see that the total amount of the sale was £15, but there's £10 left to pay. So you can register a £5 payment, again with a cash payment. It's on the 1st of February, and by pressing the Save button you've got another £5 paid off that sale. So there should only be £5 now left to pay. So if you go into the sale here, you'll be able to see that there's £5 left to pay off Alison's hat that she bought on the 1st of February. So this is a really simple way to be able to register payments, whether it's against an appointment or whether it's against a sale.